Vikas, I have been thinking of starting a SIP. When is the right time to begin?
Many people try to time the market, but with SIPs, time in the market may matter more than timing the market.
So, I don't need to wait for the perfect market conditions?
Not necessarily. Starting early and staying consistent may help you benefit from rupee cost averaging over time.
What if the market is volatile when I start?
SIPs invest regularly, so you may buy more units when prices are potentially lower and fewer units when prices are potentially higher. However, market movements can impact your investments.
So, the right time to start a SIP is now.
It depends on your financial goals, risk appetite, and investment horizon, but starting early can be worth considering. An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.